Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we will be making, drum roll please, cinnamon rolls in the microwave. Recipe, all you're gonna need is 1 egg, a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of milk, sugar, vanilla, pancake mix, or you can use flour if you don't have pancake mix, butter, unsalted will work best, but we don't have that here, so we're going to use what we have, and then cinnamon, of course. Woo! And then a mug of your choice. Alright guys, so I made a mistake. It's okay because we all make mistakes, as you guys know, and in his last video, we all make mistakes and it's okay. You're actually going to add 1.5 cups of your mix. So I just added more. There we go. Just looking a lot better. It's like a dough. And you're going to throw a little bit of flour on your cutting board. Smooth it around. This will help keep your dough from sticking to the cutting board. Go ahead and put your dough on. Now I don't have a roller, so I just have anything round. It's pretty round. If not, you can just use your hands. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll it out pretty flat. If it starts sticking to your roller, you can also add some flour to your roller. All right. Next step, we're gonna cut it into 3 or 4 slices. Depending on how long you rolled it out is how many, I guess, you're gonna do. There's one. All right. Rolls are all rolled up. We put them inside of our mug. They look like this. They already look delicious. All we're gonna do is put them in the microwave for about 1:45 seconds. We're gonna watch them, and then we are going to make our frosting. And our frosting is gonna be super easy. I forgot to say at the very beginning that we need powdered sugar as well. So you're gonna mix powdered sugar and milk, and it's gonna make a frosting. All right, so I just pulled them out of the microwave a little after a minute, and they rose up a little bit, kind of a lot, but they're not fully done cooking. So I think what I'm going to do is put half of it in another mug, and then I can share with someone, and then yeah. Guys, I'm so excited for these. They look so good. You can't really see the frosting on it because it like all seeped into it, but this is about to be bomb. All right, let's try it. These are amazing. The only thing I think I would do different is I think I would have rolled out the dough a little bit thinner so that way you could taste the cinnamon throughout the entire thing. Other than that, I think they're amazing, and I would add as much frosting as you want to your liking, but definitely would make these again / will make them again. Pretty dang good.